What's going on, guys? Matt with MotoWorks here, and this is pretty cool. I recently purchased a Burgman 650 scooter. I'm going to have a full video on that here coming up in a little bit. But I just got a Yoshimura exhaust system for this. You can still buy a full exhaust for these online. I've looked, and some of them are no-name, Chinese knockoff type setups. I think there are some companies that have some sort of brand recognition, but I opted to buy this Yoshimura full exhaust system here. So what this is the R77 muffler. It says it on the back here. It's kind of a tri-oval muffler here. So this one here, I think they only made this muffler setup for this scooter. I don't think they made a lot of different options for it. I think you could get it in full carbon, or you could get it in stainless with a carbon tip. I don't think there was too many options as far as that's concerned from Yoshimura. Now, the reason Yoshimura is so cool, and why I labeled the video the way I did, is because they're one of the very few companies, if not the only company, that still makes spare parts for all of their exhaust systems. This exhaust system in particular has been discontinued for quite some time. I mean, this scooter, they stopped making this style back in 2011, if I'm not mistaken. I'll have to look it up, or maybe 2012. But anyway, they stopped making the Burgman 650 many years ago, 11 years ago now, and you can still get parts for this muffler. So if you would have purchased this muffler, say back in 2012, and you busted the actual muffler itself, if you send it to Yoshimura, they still have the pieces for that muffler to put it back together and send it back to you. It'll be just like a brand new muffler. Now, yes, it's going to cost money, but it's kind of cool to know that you buy an exhaust from them, and it's not just a throwaway thing. You'll be able to fix it, and they'll have the parts for you. I actually purchased this exhaust secondhand, and I needed a heat shield for it. So this little rubber insert here around the clamp, I was able to get that from Yosh, and I was also able to get the proper springs I needed, because when I purchased this off eBay, it had, I think, 1 spring in total, and I needed 4 total. So I was able to order all those parts. Now, they weren't cheap. It was like, I think, $30 or so after shipping. But the fact that I can still get the parts for it, and they're the exact parts for it, I mean, they're not just some knockoff. It's actually the Yoshimura stuff. That's kind of cool. So that's why I opted to go with that setup. So I'm actually going to put the camera down. I'm going to install this exhaust system, and then we're going to hear how it sounds on the old Burgman here. As always, before we install the exhaust system, you always got to do a before and after. All right, so you hear more belt noise and whatever else is going on inside that drive setup, more than you hear the exhaust. So that's a little bit before. Now we're going to install this sucker, and let's hear it after. Alrighty, the exhaust is all on. That was probably one of the easiest exhaust installs that I have ever done. The biggest thing I found is just make sure that you're lining up the front manifold I found it was a little bit tricky to get that manifold lined up just right, being a parallel twin and the cylinders being so close together. That was the only thing that I kind of struggled with there, but it's all on. I do need to get a new piece here. That was busted off when I bought it, so I kind of on the hunt for something like that. But let's hear it now with the exhaust on. Now, funny enough, I actually had a Burgman's. I actually have a clip of a Burgman 650 with this exhaust on, but it's not my exhaust, so this one is. Well, let's hear it. That thing sounds pretty good. And like I said, Yoshimura, if this muffler packing ever blows out, if the muffler ever starts to come apart, crack, that carbon fiber starts to deteriorate, I can just reach out to Yoshimura and, you know, they'll fix the muffler up for me. Now, of course, it's going to cost money, but it's kind of cool. It's you buy the exhaust and it kind of hangs out with the bike for life. You know, the fact that, like I said, here they are. Nice new springs. Nice new rubber gasket here. So, if you see one of these Yoshimura exhausts, doesn't matter what it is, as long as it's a Yoshimura exhaust. If you see one, it's all busted up on eBay. You can still have confidence in buying it because, again, like I said, you can reach out to Yoshimura and they'll have the pieces you need to fix it. But as always, that's going to do it for this video, guys. I'm going to go try out this nice new setup. Now the old scooter's making some noise. Kind of cool. Thanks for checking it out, guys. We'll see you in the next one.